Okay, so I wanted to go over a couple of questions with you on your worksheet that's due today. So we'll just start with number one. In number one, and I kind of started already. My video messed up a second ago, so I had to start over. So I'm going to start with the side they're asking for, which goes in the bottom, BC, and then across from that is this angle 55. So that's why I put sine 55 over BC. Then we need to put a angle and side pair that we know together. Now, I know this 92 is C, but I don't have a side across. I do know this is 18. I don't know the angle across, but I can find it. So I'm going to go ahead and put 18 in the bottom and then sign in to figure out what this angle is. So if this is 92 and this is 55, all three angles in a triangle add up to what? 180. So I can do 92 plus 55, and I can write this down if you'd like. 92 and 55 is 147. And then remember, we do 180 minus 147, which would be 33 degrees. So this angle right here is 33 degrees. So that means I can do sine 33 over the 18. So that's how I set that up. Not all of them. You have to find that third angle, but sometimes you do. Okay, so then cross multiply, that's going to be BC sine 33 equals 18 sine 55. So cross multiply. And then from here, we're just going to divide by sine 33. And remember, in your calculator, you're going to type in all of this right here. Okay? I'm going to show you one more time how to do that. So I have n over d, 18 sine 55 over sine 33. Nearest tenth would be 27.1. So BC is about 27.1, and they did give you the units, so I would like for you to put the units, which in this case is miles. Okay? All right, let's do number 3. So for number 3, they're asking for AC. So that's going to go in the bottom. And then across from that is going to be sine 101. Then I want an angle and side pair that I know already, which I do know this 27 is across from the 37. 37 degrees, across from that is the 27. So that's going to be sine 37 degrees over 27. Again, you're looking for an angle and side pair that go together. So then I have AC sine 37 equals 27 sine 101. Then we're going to divide by sine 37 on both sides. And then in the calculator, I'm going to type 27 sine 101 over sine 37. So remember, these are canceling, and AC will be about 44. It's 44.04, which is technically still 44.0, because it'd have to be 5 to round up to 1, and then kilometers. Okay? All right, let's do one more where I need to figure out that third angle again. Or let's actually do a couple more because we need to do the ones with the angles. So look at 5. So for number 5, they're asking for an angle. So 1 through 4, they're asking for sides. 5 through 8, they're asking for angles. And we did this in the notes in example 1b. Okay, so I'm going to start out with what they're asking for, which is sine of angle C. And then across from angle C, I know that that side is 21. And then I'm going to set it equal to the angle and side pair that I know. So that would be sine of 125 over the side that's across, which is 28. So I'm going to cross multiply 28 sine angle C equals 21 sine 125. And then from here, I'm going to divide by 28, but I'm not just going to type this in the calculator. To get the sine of angle C, I'm going to have to type second sine of 21 sine 125 over 28. So I'm typing all this in the calculator at once. Okay, so I'm going to type second sine, then the N over D button, 21 sine 125 over 28. Enter. So 37.9 would technically round up to 38. So the measure of angle C is about 38 degrees. Don't forget your degrees. And that's your answer. Okay, so that's angles. All right, we'll go ahead and do number 7. That way I've done half of it for you, and you can do the other half for homework or for your assignment. Okay, so for number 7, again, I'm going to start with sine of angle C, because that's what they're asking for. And I'm going to put that over 23, because that's the side that's across. Equals the angle inside here that I know. So that would be sine 93 degrees over 26. Now at this point, it'd be cool if you'd stop the video and try the rest of the problem by yourself and then come back and see if you got it right. So put it on pause. If not, that's okay, I'm going to keep going. So 26 sine angle C when I cross multiply, and then 23 sine 93. Okay? Now I'm going to divide by 26. Right, cancel those up there. Okay, and then in your calculator, you're going to type second sine and then all of that. So second sine, I'll do that one more time. Second sine, you get your little sign of the -1. 23 sine 93 over, hit the N over D button, 26. And so the measure of angle C is going to be about 62. You're just looking at that 0. You're not looking at that 5. 62.0. So that's just 62 degrees. That's your answer. So now you guys only have 2, 4, 6, and 8 to do for homework. Okay? So let me know if you guys have questions.